Welcome back to another video, and if this is your first time with us, welcome aboard. I'm AJ from Savory Thoughts, bringing you our Bok Choi recipe. I know some of you are probably wondering, why is this guy bringing us Bok Choy? What is Bok Choy? Well, it's actually also known as Chinese cabbage, and it's full of omega-3 and some good nutrition. So I'm bringing it to you because I like to eat and I enjoy many different types of food, including, yes, vegetables. So let's start by cutting our bok choy in half. Put some olive oil in the pan. Pretty simple. We actually have two different type of recipes for this bok choy. A simple one with simply a little salt and pepper to give it some nice flavor and a little bit of soy sauce. And you can enjoy this. Or you can go to our website at savorythoughts.com for a more in-depth step-by-step process if you want to take this recipe to the next level, to include garlic paste, cloves, Worcestershire sauce, kosher salt, water, and vinegar. Listen to the sizzling sound. Have I enticed you to make it yet? Well enough on its own, but also a perfect addition to any of our fish recipes, such as the air fryer sea bass or the honey Dijon mustard salmon. And that's it. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you have a complete meal or a perfect side dish. So if you've enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave us a comment, let us know if you tried it and what you've paired it with, or any other suggestions that you may have. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.